If you're looking for a way to enjoy chess with smart features, online play, and advanced analysis, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best electronic chess boards that combine piece recognition, interactive gameplay, and seamless connectivity for beginners and pros alike. All product links are in the description below, so let's get started. At number 5, we have the GoChess Mini Electronic Chessboard. The GoChess Mini Electronic Chessboard is more than just a game. It's your personal chess coach. With real-time, colorful light indications, it offers instant feedback to guide every move, helping beginners quickly learn strategy while allowing advanced players to refine their skills. Whether you're just starting or already a seasoned player, this board adapts to your level. A standout feature is its adjustable assistance levels, making chess fun and educational for all ages and skill levels. For solo play, the built-in AI offers 32 levels of difficulty. From casual learners to experts seeking a tough challenge, the AI provides a responsive and engaging opponent that sharpens your skills over time. Designed to connect seamlessly with Lichess and Chess.com, the GoChess Mini lets you play against friends or new opponents worldwide. Portable, lightweight, and styled with a sleek modern design, it's the perfect combination of smart technology and premium craftsmanship, making it an ideal choice for chess lovers everywhere. At number 4, we have the Millennium Electronic Chessboard. The Millennium Electronic Chessboard, ChessGenius Pro Wood Edition, combines timeless elegance with modern chess technology. Featuring handcrafted wooden pieces and sleek wood grain edging, it delivers a premium feel that elevates every game. With magnetic pieces for stability, this board is not only beautiful, but also practical for both home and travel use. What sets this board apart is its adaptability. From beginners learning their first moves to advanced players seeking a 2,200 ELO challenge, the ChessGenius Pro adjusts seamlessly to your level. The built-in trainer turns every match into a lesson with move suggestions, strategy tips, error alerts, and opening insights to sharpen your skills. Designed with convenience in mind, the responsive sensor board and intuitive LCD display make starting a game effortless. Portable, stylish, and intelligent, this electronic chessboard is the perfect blend of tradition and innovation for chess lovers everywhere. At number 3, we have the JWSCHESSUN Electronic Chess Set. The JWSCHESSUN Electronic Chess Set delivers a powerful, engaging experience for players of all levels. Powered by a 32-bit high-speed processor, it offers advanced AI with multiple difficulty settings, ensuring both beginners and experts can enjoy competitive and challenging matches. Whether you're practicing solo or playing with friends, it provides an intelligent and dynamic chess experience. Perfect for kids and learners, this board includes a voice tutor function with real-time guidance. It announces legal or illegal moves, warns against mistakes, and helps players understand threats, making it an excellent teaching tool for those just starting their chess journey. Learning is made fun with 128 preset puzzles, 99 classic master games, and 5 mini-games designed to build piece handling and tactical skills. Crafted with durable, portable design, the magnetic pieces, responsive board, and large LCD display ensure smooth gameplay anywhere. At number 2, we have the LEXiBOOK Electronic Chess Set. The LEXiBOOK Electronic Chess Set is the ultimate travel-friendly chess companion. Compact and practical, it features a sturdy integrated lid that makes it easy to carry, allowing you to enjoy a game anywhere, at home, on vacation, or during your commute. Designed for all skill levels, the set offers 64 difficulty levels, including 5 beginner levels with 4 distinct playing styles. Whether you're a novice just learning or an advanced player seeking a challenge, the LEXiBOOK adapts to your skill, providing an engaging and tailored chess experience. With its fully programmed chess rules, the board recognizes everything from stalemates to en passant captures, ensuring accurate gameplay. The advanced move indicators guide your strategy, while the position memorization feature helps track and review your game. Durable, portable, and intelligent, the LEXiBOOK Electronic Chess Set combines convenience, learning, and fun. Its smart design and responsive features make it an ideal choice for families, beginners, and chess enthusiasts seeking quality and versatility in one compact set. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chessnut Pro AI Electronic Chessboard Set. The Chessnut Pro AI Electronic Chessboard Set brings luxury and technology together for an unmatched chess experience. Featuring full-piece recognition, it automatically detects every move, ensuring smooth and accurate gameplay. With support for Chess 960 and compatibility with third-party software, it's perfect for players seeking advanced analysis and strategic depth. Take your game global by connecting online with over 45 million players on chess.com and LEXiBOOK. Challenge friends, join tournaments, or compete with new opponents worldwide, making every game exciting and unpredictable. The board offers AI-powered training with 20 adjustable difficulty levels that adapt to your skill. Revisit past games, solve puzzles, and join weekly leagues to sharpen your strategy, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned competitor. Designed as a premium chess gift, this luxury set includes a 55cm tournament-sized board, 34 handcrafted wooden pieces with LEDs, extra queens, a USB-C charger, and a quick start guide. Its elegant design and smart technology make it ideal for players of all levels. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 electronic chessboards of 2025. Whether you're a beginner seeking interactive lessons or a seasoned player aiming for seamless online play, these boards offer cutting-edge features to enhance your chess experience. Check out the links in the description to find the perfect match for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert gear reviews.